Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the display appearance in the 24Me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And at the general section, just click on the display appearance button. And as you can see, you can set it to dark, light, and you can set it to same as the device. So just choose whichever you want and then click on done. And your appearance is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.